If you are facing issue on Facebook where it shows error, can't use this feature right now, then this video is for you. Today in this video, we'll be guiding you on how to fix this problem where you get this error, can't use this feature right now. First, open App Store and search for Facebook. After you're inside it, scroll down and tap on Write a Review. Here, you'll find an option to write the title and review. Give a rating, add your title, and review the problem that you are facing. After this, just hit Submit. Now, another method is tap on App Support. From here, you can navigate through the list of options that can help you fix your problem and report it to the Facebook support team. Again, if this doesn't fix the issue, just go to Settings, tap on General, and tap on iPhone Storage. After this, search for Facebook. Now, you'll see two options here, Offload App and Delete App. Tap on Offload App. Now what this does is, this will clear the cached data and freshly install the app so that the issue you are facing might be fixed. After this, reinstall the app. And after following this step, hopefully this might fix the issue for you. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more.